Hello guys and welcome back. In last video we have seen we have set up a VPN tunnel, but after setting the VPN tunnel we are getting this error message that IKEY phase 1 essay is deleted. Alright. So this indicates something with the phase 1 negotiation, right? So in a Palo Alto we have a cool command to check that. Let me just go to the Palo Alto, and I have run that command, but I will run that command one more time. Hope you are able to see my screen. And the command is tell follow smp-log ikey mgr log. When I run that command, immediately you can see here SHA-1, SHA-256, DH2, DH5, 3DS, AES, SHA-1, SHA-256, DS2, DH5. So these are the proposal what we are getting. So SHA-1 is from the checkpoint side, and the Palo Alto side is SHA-256. DH2 is what we are getting from the Palo side. DH5 is from the checkpoint side, right? So it's completely mismatching. Why it's mismatching? Because a simple mistake what we have done. We have configured the community, right? This community here we have given all the desired encryptions based on all calculations and everything, but we forgot to add that into the VPN rule. Okay, if you see this site-to-site VPN rule, there is a field here VPN. Here you need to specify this community. So let me just go ahead and add that community here so that the packet travel will take from this community's data or information. Okay, as soon as I say install, we'll see what logs we are getting. So it got succeeded. Let me just go ahead on the Palo side and check what is the latest logs we have. Let me just say Control C and rerun this command. And now, okay, it's still giving me the same. Let's wait. Let's wait because the communication has to be happen. Let's wait. Let me do one more time. Same command. And now this time I can see something. Phase 1 negotiation is started. As initiator, aggressive mode. Okay, it is in aggressive mode. You can see here. And then I don't see any. Okay, I see something like this message as well, that SHA-1, SHA-256. So somehow this policy got pushed, but I don't see that took place. What happened? Let's go ahead and check. So this is my rule and this is my community. All these things are here, and from the Palo side we have configuration. For example, IKEY crypto. This is what I have selected. Group 5. Okay, that looks good. IPsec crypto. Okay, it also looks good. IKEY gateway. Let's see what we have select here. Let's see. Everything looks good in advanced option. Oh, do you see this? One more mistake what we have done. So whatever we are getting here, I believe it's something like from the checkpoint side we are getting this SHA-256, DH5, AES, SHA-256, DH5. That means, although this is very important guys, although we have not specified community details here, checkpoint by default allowed the best algorithms what they have. Okay, mostly what we have set up, those algorithms uh, more I can see in the communication. But from the Palo side, if you see, I have selected here iKey crypto profile default. That default thing we are seeing. For example, if I come here and see this default guy, so these are the things what you are seeing here. Okay. So let's rectify that. Let's go ahead into the gateway and let's change that. Let's do one more thing, just give it a main mode because we don't want aggressive mode. And from here, let's go ahead and change this guy. Okay, this thing looks good now, but let me cross check one more time. Anything else is missing. So in advanced, we have given the phase 1 details perfectly, and here we need to give phase 2 details. So if I go to this, here we have this phase 2 details. So this looks perfect. Now let's install the policy. Let's see what we are getting now once the policy got installed. So wait for a couple of seconds. All right, policy looks good. Let's go ahead here and now see. Let's just rerun that particular command. What we are seeing now. So okay, something else we can see now. The packet is transmitted, SPI inserted, IPsec responder, something. Okay, looks something great. So as you can see, the tunnel status is up now. So I can see here my both tunnel setup is up, and I hope my packet communication is working. Let's go ahead with that. Just check. All right then. So this is what I am able to communicate to 192.168.1.10. We were, let me just show you. So IP config, if you see 10.1.1.10 is IP address lies here. It is communicating to this guy. So the number one thing what we are trying to achieve from the VPN setup is done. Let's see from the checkpoint side as well if it is communicating or not. So let's go ahead here. Oh, okay. From the checkpoint side also we are able to communicate. So see IP config. Okay. As per the topology, this is the IP address and I'm reaching to the other side. All right. The communication is established, and from the checkpoint side also it looks good. From Palo side also it looks good. Okay. Couple of things you need to check once the tunnel got established. Number one, just go ahead into the Palo side and type some commands, basic things like show VPN IKE-SA. So it will give you all the SA details, right? And if you want to see IPsec SA, just type IPsec SA and you'll be getting those SA details here. All right. From the checkpoint side also, we do some checks. So I'll go to the gateway. Let me just log into the gateway. Control C. Let me go to the expert mode. In expert mode, type the command like VPN and if you press list all IPSA, you'll be getting those. And if you press to list all the IPSA gateways, you'll be getting those. So guys, I hope the VPN communication thing is clear to you, and we are now successful to establish a VPN tunnel between the Palo Alto and the checkpoint side. So guys, thanks for watching this video. In next video, we'll be doing multiple troubleshooting things. We'll be changing the parameters and we'll see from the checkpoint side and the Palo Alto side how we need to look at all those things. So guys, thanks for watching this video once again and have a wonderful day.